In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a pie chart in Notion using a mermaid diagram. It's a simple way to visualize your data without leaving your workspace. Let's get started. Open the Notion page where you want to add the chart. Type mermaid and select the mermaid block. Inside the block, enter the mermaid syntax for a pie chart. Start with pie, then add each category and its value on a new line using the correct mermaid format. Replace the sample labels and values with your own data, such as expenses, survey results, or project statistics. As you edit the mermaid code, Notion automatically generates and updates the pie chart, making it easy to see how each category compares. Whenever your data changes, simply edit the values in the mermaid block and the chart will update automatically. That's how to create a pie chart in Notion. Thanks for watching.